Hello, hello friend. My name is SN Patil. In this video lecture, we discuss the problem on group theory. The problem is prove that the set G is equal to here 2 by 2 matrix having the first row XX, second XX, and X is non-zero real number. Is a group under ordinary matrix multiplication. Okay. So first we show here all the first four properties, that is closeness, associativity, existence of identity, and the last is existence of inverse. Okay, now first we write the set. Let G is equal to collection of matrix X, X, first row, second row is X, X, such that X is non-zero real number. X is non-zero real number. Now the first property of the group is closure property. For that we take the two matrices. Let capital A is equal to A and capital B is equal to B. That is A and B both are belongs to the G. Both are the element of the set J. Okay, now the first closeness properties, we find their product. See what is the binary operation under the ordinary matrix multiplication, that is A into B. A into B, that is A, first row, B. Now the first row multiplied to the column, that is AB plus AB. So we get here 2 times AB. First row multiplied to the second column, A into B, that is AB plus A into B, 2 times AB. Now second row multiplied to the first column, AB plus AB, that is 2 times AB. Similarly, second row multiplied to the last column, 2 times AB. Now here A and B, okay, A and B are the element of the set G and both are the non-zero, okay, so that their product A into B also non-zero. Okay, the AB is belongs to G. Here every element is non-zero. Okay, the closeness property is satisfied. Hence, matrix multiplication is binary. Okay, yeah, closer. Now the second is associativity property. Associative. First, we take the three element of the G. Let A, B, C belongs to the G. Okay. Then A into in bracket B into C. B into C is same as A into B into C. And we know matrix multiplication is always associative. Matrix multiplication is always associative. Okay. Therefore, matrix multiplication is associative. Matrix multiplication is associative. Now the third property, existence of identity. Identity element. Now let capital A is A, okay, and identity element for I is equal to we take E1, E1, E1. Okay. Here A belongs to G and I belongs to the G. By definition of identity, that is A star E is equal to A. So here star is multiplication, that is A into identity matrix is equal to A. Okay, so here A is A into operation is multiplication. So we write here multiplication E1 is equal to AA. See, we know the definition of identity. A star E is equal to A. Okay, here the star is multiplication. Now simplify left hand side. The first row multiply to the column, that is A into E1 plus A into E1. Okay, that is 2 times A into E1. Two times A into E1. Now first row multiply to the second column. Similarly, second row multiply to the first column, and second row multiply to the second column. 2 times A E1 is equal to A. Now equate the both side. So here we get 2 times. We consider the first element and here first element. All the elements are same. Okay, that is 2 times A E1 is equal to A. So here A will get cancelled and we get 2 times E1 is equal to 1. So that E1 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so identity matrix is here. Put the value of E here. E1 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So we get the identity. Okay, now next is existence of inverse. Existence of inverse of an element. Let A is equal to A is equal to A. Okay, A is belongs to the G. B, capital B is a inverse of A. Okay, that is B belongs to G, and we know the definition of the inverse is A star B is equal to identity. Now here the star binary operation is multiplication, that is A into B is equal to identity. Here identity is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 first row, second row is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay, now put value A, B and identity, that is A, B, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Now the first row multiply to the column. Okay, that is AB and plus AB, that is 2 times AB. Similarly for second, 2 times AB. Now second row multiply to the first column. Here we get the again same. And here second row multiply to the second column. 2AB is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Equate both sides. Okay, so here all the elements of both sides are the same. So here we consider 2 times AB is equal to 1 by 2. Here we find the value of the B here. Okay, that is B is inverse. So here the 2 times A is divided here. B is equal to 1 upon 4A. So B, the inverse matrix B is equal to is all the element. First row is B, B, second is also B, small b. We get 1 upon 4A, 1 upon 4A, 1 upon 4A, 1 upon 4A. Okay, so all we get the inverse B matrix here. All the 4 properties of group are satisfied. Hence, G is a group. Hence, G is a group under ordinary matrix multiplication. Thank you.